All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
So you can stop looking at me, because this is one of those times.
Ginger! Look at me!
Oh, I'm still sleepy, mommy.
Benji. Benji. Hey.
Get your tongue off my door.
Why are you mad at me?
The attitude she has.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
Hi, can I touch you? No! Oh, okay. What? It's not funny.
Bro, I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
Hey, your mom looks like a dog.
Lie down. Lie down.
Out aloud on the bed, you. No!
Oh, fuck.